Ah, man, let's hurry this shit up, bro. What's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, we finishing the sleeve, bro. Not gonna lie to y'all, I just caught me some numbing cream. Just off the simple fact that I'm about to do the inside of my arm. I heard the inside of your arm is the worst part, bro. And I'm really not trying to reschedule none of that shit, bro. I'm really trying to get all this shit done in one session, cause, nigga, this is literally gonna finish my sleeve right here. So I'm about to apply this numbing cream real quick. And I'm late as fuck to my appointment, of course, bro. Hurry up and do this real quick, get to my appointment. I'm not bringing my camera in there, cause this not even in the same spot she was at last time. So, nigga, literally about to get all this, bro. You're crazy as fuck if you don't think I'm about to use some numbing cream, bro. What the fuck, nigga? Are you crazy? This is literally the worst part. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all once we get there, man. No cap. Oh yeah, that's me right there. So we'll type in. Alright, y'all, we got the stencil and shit done. It's the before, y'all. Sleeve, this bitch about to be crazy. But I'm gonna see y'all in the after. This bitch killer.
Getting money, nigga, bag. I live closer than you think I catch you a hat. Wait, double cup round downtown saying damn. Bitch nigga died like that was the plan. Don't fuck with niggas like I'm in a clan. Blowing shit up like Saddam Hussein. Pass me up, tell me you even can. I was the one blowing guns and you wasn't. I was the one blowing guns and you ran. All of my hoes be grown and you case the same. Like 10 and 300 black ratchet and clank. Walking them all, not Louis V, everything Louis V shoes with a Louis V chain. Bought that smoker's uncle like some dank. Being getting money, boy, fuck what you think. Walk out the bank, I broke it for the cake. Walk out with cake, I brought it out the bank.
Just got done 2 videos. This should be in the vlog for today. You feel me? I don't know how this vlog is formatted, cause at this point I'm really just recording every day, bro. So really just trying to get all my content organized. But this shit hurt so bad, bro. This shit hurt so bad. My shit was leaking all night. Pause. No dig. When y'all first get tatted, y'all low-key be iffy on how this shit gonna look. Bro, this shit tough. She did her thing, bro. What the fuck? Damn. I gotta get in there. Nigga, y'all is stamped. Feel me? Alright. We finna explain my tats, bro. Should I explain my tats? Or should that be another video? You know what? I'll explain them, bro. Fuck it. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. If I don't like this video, shit, it is what it is. Alright, so boom. The explanation of my tattoos is I'm inky, nigga. Leave me the fuck alone. As I can see, my sleeve is complete, bro. Fucking with this. 2 days later, y'all. 2 days later, I would go in my room, but my girlfriend is knocked out. And I would put her on camera, but I ain't gonna do it like that. So boom, first tat I ever got. The world is yours. This the only like Pinterest tat I really got, you feel me? Like everybody first tattoo,
I don't think everybody's first tattoo really meaningful for real. I feel like they first tat, you just want to get tatted, you feel me? Everybody got tatted. So I was like, you know what, bro? I need to get tatted, my nigga. This letter or note that my grandma had left me before she passed away, you feel me? I ain't get it till a year later, so when I got that on my birthday, like that was like a very, very crazy moment for me, bro. I ain't gonna fake. I appreciate my grandma. Honestly, I ain't gonna fake. I'm not explaining all my tattoos, y'all. Like, if y'all want a tattoo meaning, y'all just gonna have to let me know. I'm really just trying to waste time, you feel me? So cool. Y'all can see love grandma at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, you feel me? She was very, 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 very big on manners. Like, she don't care who you was, bro. As long as you saying thank you and being appreciative of what you got, bro, she'll be happy. You feel me? And that goes for any of my friends, family. Nigga, if you ain't know what that meant, she gonna make you learn what that mean, bro. Because once she say 1, 2, 3, nigga, you better say thank you or else she gonna get on your ass. So cool. On to the new tattoos. I'm gonna start off with this rosary I got down to right here, you feel me? Cause it was a big space right here, y'all. Like, it's like a very big space. Cool. Very big space. So I end up getting a rosary coming down like right before the letter on some cool shit. Then inside of the arm, we got the two-faced Gemini, cause if y'all don't know, I'm a Gemini. And I've been wanting this tat for a long ass time, you feel me? This shit tough. And you really gotta peep the details though. Like, y'all gotta see how she put the little sparkles right here. You feel me? At both ends. And then, if y'all can't tell, my whole entire sleeve is like smoke based. So y'all see, damn, I forgot I had all this. Hold on. All right, so I don't know why I got to my new ones. Hold on, we gotta bring it back up right here. So boom, movie reel. I got like a movie reel tattoo, you feel me? The movie reel is like broken off and it goes into a camera. No, nigga, if you don't know who I am, nigga, the camera life is my life, bro. Ever since I was little, if I wasn't watching basketball, nigga, I was watching behind the scenes on anything, bro. Movies, WWE, like anything you can think of, bro. I was literally just watching behind the scenes, bro. Always wanted to be a cameraman. Always wanted to be behind the scenes on everything that's going on, you feel me? That's my life. So I got a camera, boom. Then we got the little film going down. I don't know what to call this. It's like a reel, film, reel, whatever. Cool. Got y'all inky right here. Got y'all inked up right here. Fly shit. Then we got 10 take. Feel me? This is my photography name, 10 take. Now, that'd be crazy if somebody got that, because I ain't really make this a LLC or nothing, but shit, nigga, I'm here. Then we got passion in Mandarin. I had Mandarin class for 3 years. I was fucking with it. I ain't gonna lie, I was fucking with it. Passion. This might say chopped cheese though, who knows? But this shit look tough. Then we got 20829 Miller Avenue. That's where I grew up, you feel me? The best house in Cleveland, you feel me? If you was cool with me or a friend of mine, nigga, if you been in my house, nigga, you know. Really don't gotta say too much. Then, feel me? My whole entire sleeve is like smoke based, so y'all see the smoke going around. We got 101 on the back. Cool shit. I forgot what this shit. Oh, this shit say North Interstate 271. That's how you get to the crib, nigga. That's how you get to the crib, bro. This shit fire. Then we go the arrow pointing north. And yeah, man. I feel like that's it. Now, y'all will never see this sleeve ever, bro. I'm so glad that I made my own sleeve, bro, just cause, nigga, everybody got a copy and paste sleeve. I knew I was gonna have a sleeve that was very thought out, and nigga, we're here. I'm very glad that I got this type sleeve, cause nobody else has it. So, that being said, appreciate y'all. tuning in to my sleeve. And hopefully y'all can come along during the journey with whatever I get next. But I'm done for now, cuz I'm out of VC, nigga. I'm broke.
I don't fuck with these niggas long way. I was born and made my own way. I got models all over my plate. I got drugs and shit on the table.
She won't put the pussy on the camera. She my favorite, I cannot have her. I get 5 at house on the camera. I got 5 on my head and back then I